If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you how one $25 commission can turn into thousands of dollars every single month. Now, if you haven't heard of the Live Good opportunity yet, I don't know where you've been, but you are watching the right video. All right. So Live Good is one of the most popular online business opportunities out there right now. It hybrids affiliate marketing and network marketing perfectly. And a lot of people are joining Live Good every single day. All right. Now, a big reason why people are joining Live Good is because of their compensation plan. Now, there are several different ways that you can make money with Live Good, but in this video, I'm just going to focus on two. And the first one being a $25 commission. So before I get into the compensation plan, I do want to make it perfectly clear that to become an affiliate of Live Good and be able to earn all these different income streams, there is a one-time $40 fee. All right. Now, once you pay this $40 fee, you are going to be able to pretty much earn an unlimited amount of income from Live Good. All right. So once you become an affiliate, you're going to now be able to earn $25 commissions for every personal referral that you bring into Live Good who also decides to become an affiliate. Now, the good thing about this is most people that join Live Good, all right, they either instantly decide to become an affiliate or they decide to become an affiliate down the road. All right. So like I said, you're going to earn a $25 commission for each person that you bring in. But this is where it gets dope. All right. So for every referral that you bring in, you're going to be able to earn a 50% matching bonus from whatever that person makes, all right, in their team matrix. All right. So let me give you a very simple example. If you refer, say, one person, all right, they come in, you earn $25 commission. You're like, oh, that's nice. I like that. 25 bucks, boom, go into your account. All right. Now, for whatever reason, you recruited a go-getter. You recruited somebody who's like, yo, this is it. This is what I've been waiting for. It is on and popping. So this person goes out and starts generating $5,000 a month in Live Good. Maybe it took them 6 months. Maybe it took them 2 years. But your first referral, right, is making $5,000 a month in Live Good. All right. Now, just because you referred that person, you are going to earn $2,500 a month. And this is facts. All right. So just before the haters come on, be like, no, it's fake. No, it's real. I'm living it right now. Like this, the compensation plan is real. It's legit. People are really getting paid. All right. So you think about that and you say, all right, that's dope. You know what I mean? That's from one person that started out $25 commission you got off that person. Now this person is doing their thing and you're getting a 50% matching bonus. So now you got to ask yourself, as a business person, as a network marketer, as an affiliate marketer, how many people, how many personals can you refer in Live Good? Because now when you look at that, say, what if you recruited 50 people? 100 people into Live Good. Remember, every personal that you bring in, you're going to earn a 50% matching bonus. Now, let's just be all the way real. Come on now. All right. A lot of people that you bring in to Live Good, they probably ain't going to do a damn thing. They're probably going to make, $10 a month, $5 a month, whatever. But you're going to get those people, most likely. You're going to get those go-getters. The more people that you bring into the company, the better your chances are of recruiting somebody who's really about this life. So if you had 100 people in Live Good, you might get 10 people that's making you $500 a month. 2 people that's making you $2,000 a month. 20 people that's making you an extra $80 a month. but all that money will add up over time. All right. So going back full circle, like one affiliate can change everything, right? This is why I always talk about this in the videos, because a lot of people really don't understand it. They really don't grasp, the idea of the 50% matching bonus, right? Now, ideally, of course, you want to go after more than one person, right? You want to get as many affiliates as you can. You want to get as many commissions as you can, right? That's like me personally. I always try to go for big numbers. I go big with this shit, right? Like my goal is to get 1,000 people into Live Good. That's my goal. Some people got a goal of bringing in 100. Some people just got a goal of bringing in 10. Everybody got their own goals, but whatever they are, you just got to do it. Make it happen, right? Because the earning potential is there. You just need to take advantage of this opportunity and work this opportunity. Take it serious and don't quit. All right. Do not quit. If you join Live Good, don't quit, because if you quit, you're essentially missing out on an incredible opportunity that could change your financial future. All right. Because between Live Good's products, their membership, their compensation plan, this is a no-brainer. And this is why I'm rocking with Live Good for the long haul. So if you want to check out Live Good for yourself and jump on the team, all you got to do is click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the other side.